पहले हम दोस्तों गुड मॉर्निंग ऑफ एवरीवंस। आई एम टुडे गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एनुमरेट द पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन्स एंड गिव द प्रिंसिपल्स एक्शंस। ठीक है, फर्स्ट अपन आई एम डिस्कस हियर हार्मोन्स ऑफ पिट्यूटरी एंड then action then study about actions. First I am study about anterior hormones, anterior pituitary hormones. Anterior pituitary hormones, first upon names of all anterior pituitary hormones. So I am first study about thyroid stimulating hormone. First study thyroid stimulating hormone. Second one is luteinizing hormones. Luteinizing hormones is LH, short for LH. And third hormone is follicle stimulating hormones, FSH. And fourth hormone is growth hormone, short form is GH. And next one is prolactin hormone. And sixth one is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Short form is ACTH. And posterior hormone is secretes only two hormones. Posterior pituitary is secrete only two hormone. Posterior pituitary hormone. That hormone is arginine vasopressin. AVP is short form. And another name is ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Arginine vasopressin, AVP, another name is ADH, antidiuretic hormone. And second one hormone is oxytocin. And now I am discuss about what is actions of anterior pituitary hormones and posterior pituitary hormones. So actions I am studying about one by one. First hormone is TSH. So TSH is action is stimulate the productions of thyroxines is T4 and triiodothyronine is T3. And now I am discuss about luteinizing hormones and luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is LH and luteinizing hormones and luteinizing hormone is important for necessary for spermatogenesis in males, and LH hormone is also important for stimulates Leydig cells to produce testosterone hormone. Now I am discuss about FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, is also important for stimulate Sertoli cells to secrete androgen binding proteins and transferrin and plasminogens and activators and inhibitors. Now discuss about what is the axons in female. The follicular stimulating hormones to growth and development of ovarian follicles during follicular phase. FSH hormones is important for in female is for follicular stimulating growth and development of ovarian follicles during follicular phase of the menstruation cycle. In female, mid-cycle peak of LH induced ovulations. In females, both FSH and LH is necessary for the development of corpus luteum and during the luteal phase of the menstruation cycle. And growth hormones is actions for promote growth in every individuals. Prolactin is very important hormones. Actions is in the main effect on the breast and generally stimulating lactations. And adenocorticotropic hormone is cortisol release, generally controls cortisol release for adrenal cortex and skin pigmentations. Now I am discuss about posterior pituitary hormones. Posterior pituitary hormones release two hormones, arginine, vasopressin. Another name is I am discuss about arginine, vasopressins, as well as same name is antidiuretic hormones. Its main action is promote reabsorption of butter from the renal tubule. And one last hormone is oxytocin. Oxytocin is known is very common and popular hormones, promote uterine contractions and express the milk of the breasts. Now today's topic is finished about enumerate the hormones of pituitary and axons.